So today in this video, we're going to take you through one of my favorite neighborhoods in Gulf Shores. Is this the best neighborhood in Gulf Shores? I think it might be. Today we're in Aventura. Now we've done several videos in Aventura, but this is our brand new listing by one of our fellow teammates, Tim Hollenden with eXp Realty. Tim has this house listed at a steal for $525. And listen, the thing is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, almost 2,500 square foot with a 3-car garage. You're not going to believe the backyard. You're not going to believe the kitchen. I mean, stick around to the end of this thing and we're going to show you all the amenities that you get within this neighborhood. Let's go take a look at this brand new listing that we have for $525, and it's an absolute steal. So let's get to it. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, ring that little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to learn about what it's like to actually live here, play here, all the things that are associated with the beach, what it's like to actually live at the beach in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, Foley, all the surrounding areas. My name is Andy Hollis, along with my partner Aileen Fountain and our entire team. We do videos just like this every single week just to be informative. So listen, if you want to reach out to us, if you're thinking about moving here, if you're thinking about selling, just reach out to us. We would love to help you make a smooth move or help you with all your real estate needs. Our contact information is going to be in the description of this video below it. It's in every single video that we do, and we also pin our contact information in the very first comment. It's always pinned there, so you can reach out to us any which way you want to. So as I mentioned, today we are going to walk through our brand new listing here by Tim Hollenden with eXp Realty. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, almost 2,500 square foot, amazing house with, yes, you guessed it, a 3-car garage. Unbelievable. I cannot wait to show you this thing. So let's go ahead and get to it without further delay. All right, so let's go inside and take a look. First thing, check out this entryway here. This is really super nice. It's covered entryway here. Come on in. You got that nice LVP flooring right there. And I like how wide this entryway is here. Right when you come in the door, this is all super, super wide, which is cool. Right off to the front, you got the front bedroom here with a nice ceiling fan and closet there. And then nice big windows. There's a lot of light in here. It might sound like an echo because this house is empty. The owner has already moved out. But then you got a bathroom there that's a shared bathroom. And then another bedroom here. Notice no carpet in this place whatsoever, which is amazing. And another closet there. And then we come on in, back out into the main area. You've got your washer and dryer right off here to the side. That goes out to the garage. We'll go there in just a moment. And then got the full-size stackable washer and dryer there. I mean, you could put a side-by-side there if you wanted to, but they did that, I'm assuming, to give them more room. But check this out. This is cool here. You've got a lot of storage here. I mean, this is a big storage area. I mean, technically, if you didn't want to use it as a storage area, you could take that shelving out and use it as an office. And then you've got the garage area here, which is a 3-car garage. Unheard of in this area. You've got a pull down for the attic there. This is the water heater. And again, you've got a 3-car garage. A lot of room in here. And I mean a lot of room. And coming back out, this is where your air conditioner is located. And again, look at how wide open this is. Got 2 ceiling fans up there. This tray ceilings. And then coming into the kitchen area, which is probably my favorite part of this house. These appliances are new, of course, or newer. This house was built in 2024. I love the look of these cabinets. Amazing. Got that island there, and that's quartz countertop that you're looking at. Got that nice farmhouse deep sink. And then you've got a formal little dining area over here. Plenty of room to seat a big table right there. And then an entryway to go outside. We'll go out there in just a moment. But you know, people are always asking me, what about the pantry? How big is the pantry? It's important to me too. And this is a big old pantry. So kind of a walk-in pantry. Plenty of storage in this house. And then we'll go over to the 3rd bedroom, which has an ensuite bathroom and then a nice, super nice walk-in closet there. I mean, that's a big closet for a 2nd bedroom. And then got the ceiling fan there. A lot of light in here as well. And then coming into the bathroom, again with the matching cabinets and the quartz countertops. And that's a standard insert in that shower, but I like it because look at all the room that you have to put shampoo, soap, whatever, all up in there. Super nice. I like the color of these walls too. Coming back out, and we will head over to the primary. And walking into the primary, first thing you're going to see right off to the left is a nice walk-in closet. And guess what? There is another one right there. Another nice walk-in closet. Huge closet. So you got his and hers, or his and his, or hers and hers, however you want to put it. And then really nice size bedroom here. Nice tall ceilings, tray ceilings with the ceiling fan there. Let's go check out the primary bathroom. And you've got a nice stand-up shower there. And that has tile all the way from the floor to the ceiling. You have a separate tub right there, big old garden tub. And then you've got the double sinks with the same countertop and the same cabinet that you got in the kitchen. And then you have a pantry here, you know, for your towels and stuff. And then of course you got the little toilet area there, which is separate and closed off, which is always a good thing. And then we'll come out and go outside. And we'll walk out here, show you. And it is screened in, which is really important with the bugs that we have here. And then a nice little doggy door area there. And the backyard, we'll walk out there in just a moment. But I did want to show you this. So there's already hookups, which I don't know who even does cable anymore. Everybody does streaming. But you've also got the plugs here. So it's super easy just to mount a TV there. Awesome, awesome little area. And then I'm going to show you just how big this backyard is, because there's enough room back here for a pool. You could absolutely 100% put a pool back here. Even though this neighborhood has a pool, you could put a pool in. And you can see the back side of the house. You've got room over here on the side. Play a little cornhole there. After you get your pool in, of course. And then it's already fenced in, which is really important. I know, I just had a fence put in my yard. They're expensive. Then you've got your air conditioning unit there, outside spigot, and good size room here on the side with a gate there on that fence. So we'll come back in. And again, lots of room back here. I mean, that's big enough for a pool. You could definitely put a pool in back here. And we'll head back in. And I forgot to mention, they already have a ceiling fan out here. And that looks like one of those heavy duty ceiling fans that's not going to droop in a year or two. And then coming on back into the living room area. Give you one more shot of that kitchen. God, look how open this is. I really, really like the fact of how open this place is. And we'll go back out and then we'll tell you some more about the house. All right, guys, so just to tell you a little bit about this house, this is 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, almost 2,500 square feet, with a lot of storage space. I mean, you saw all the storage space that you can get within here. Just an incredible, incredible house. And the cool thing about it is 3-car garage. That is really hard to find. We get that requested a lot. You know, people say, you know, is there any way possible to find me something around 2,500 square foot with a 3-car garage? Well, this is it. This is it. And it's priced to sell. I mean, it's priced at $525,000, built in 2024. So it's basically a brand new build. And with all the amenities that you get in this neighborhood, I mean, listen, you know, I said it at the beginning of this video, this is probably one of my favorite locations in all of Gulf Shores, simply because of the location. You know, they say in real estate, location, location, location. This one has it. You're right in the middle of everything. I mean, you're 5 minutes down the road to Tanger Outlets. You're about 5 to 10 minutes from the beach, depending on traffic. You've got, I mean, everything, all the places to eat right around here. Foley's just up the road. You're in the heart of Gulf Shores. If you have kids, the school district here is unbelievable. This is a house that you don't want to miss out on, especially with all the amenities that you get in this neighborhood. You know, you've got the pool, you've got the playground, you've got walking trails all around here, you've got the sidewalks. I mean, just a super fantastic location. And to have this house be already done, 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, fenced in yard, enough room for a pool. I mean, what more could you ask for? So anyway, guys, that's going to just about do it for our video here today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to hit that like button, subscribe button, and ring that little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn about everything there is to learn about what it's like to actually live, play, work, the whole 9 yards in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, and all the surrounding areas. Be sure to watch some of our other videos, and until next time, we hope to see you around town.
I get flip-flops and your shades that hit the sand. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh it feels so right. From sunrise